Today we will show you how to change the display of the iPhone 16 Pro Max without any issues. So let's get started. First, we will take the new display out of the packet and connect the display connector to check if there are any problems. The display touch is working properly, but the problem is that it's showing display not recognized in the settings. Now we will connect the display in the proper way so that there are no issues. We will swap the IC from the broken old display because the old IC contains the iPhone's original data. Now we will use a hot air gun to apply airflow and remove the old IC. Then we will place the IC in the IC holder and clean it thoroughly. Then we will place the IC on the soldering net, apply soldering paste, and resolder it properly. One thing you must keep in mind is that the IC has a small mark on one corner. You have to align that mark correctly when placing it, otherwise there will be problems. Now we need to adjust the ribbon with the IC. We will apply a little paste and a bit of soldering flux, then use the iron to properly attach the IC. Then we will connect the display connector and power on the phone. Now you can see that no display issue is showing in the settings. If you replace the display properly like this, there will be no problems. Thank you, everyone.